Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new card making tutorial and I'm playing with the Mijello Mission Gold watercolors today together with some embossing. I used the Rubber Dance Joy in a Jar stamp set and I just stamped the corners of my card base. I'm using watercolor paper. I'm stamping with Versamark ink. The watercolor paper is very textured in comparison to normal cardstock, so I give my stamp a really good press to make sure to get a good impression. I stamp all 4 corners of my card. I'm using a white opaque embossing powder. You could also use a clear embossing powder or even a gold or any other metallic one. Finally, every embossing powder will work for this technique. It just has to be a embossing powder that dries without any texture, because we want to have this as a resist against our watercolors. Now it's time to add some color, and I use the watercolors with a regular brush. I wet the areas I want to color in before and I just color in the image very loosely. You have to be a little bit careful when you dry it with your heat tool because you don't want to melt the embossing powder again. After everything is dry, I'm adding my sentiment to the middle of the card, and I will also add some color splatters to make it more vibrant. I'm always using a grid block for stamping a sentiment. When I adhere the stamp to the grid block, I make sure that my word is lined up with one of the lines on the grid block, so I am pretty sure that my sentiment will be stamped straight. When everything is dry, I cut out a stitched frame from this background and mount everything to a card base. I'm also adding a layer of colored cardstock underneath. That's my card for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you see us next time. Bye!